Head over to my channel to check out different bike model playlists with English, Spanish, French, and Chinese subtitles.
This video is a dealer training video. Please enjoy and subscribe. Thank you.
Hello everybody. Welcome to the Zontes maintenance channel. Many people shy away from doing an oil service on their motorbike or scooter, yet it's all about the know-how and a little confidence. Here's a brief guide on how to change the engine and gearbox oil for your Zontes 125M scooter. Yet please follow the instructions in the video, which is all self-explanatory. Take your time, follow the process, and all will be well. Then stand back and admire your handiwork, and the money you have saved by doing it yourself. Tools and materials needed. Engine oil. Check your owner's manual for the recommended type and quantity. Gearbox oil. Check your owner's manual for the recommended type and quantity. Oil filter, if applicable. Drain pan. Wrenches. Funnel. Gloves. Rags. Steps. 1. Preparation. Warm up the engine for 3 minutes. Turn off your scooter. Ensure the engine is cool enough, as the oil will be hot and you don't want to scald yourself. This process will allow the oil to be more fluid for removal. Make sure the scooter is on a level surface. Place the drain pan under the engine drain plug, then also repeat this process when changing the gearbox oil. 2. Drain the old oil. Remove the drain plug from the engine and let the oil drain completely into the pan. 3. Remove the oil filter. Remove it and replace it with a new one. Smear a little oil around the rubber seal. 4. Replace the drain plugs. Once the oil has drained, replace the drain plugs and tighten them securely. 5. Add new oil. Use a funnel to pour the recommended amount of engine oil into the engine. Check the oil level with the dipstick and add more if necessary. 6. Add new gearbox oil. Follow the process in the video. To drain the gearbox oil. Similarly, use a funnel to pour the recommended amount of gearbox oil into the gearbox. The gearbox only has a small amount of oil, so do not overfill. Check your owner's manual for correct amount. 7. Check for leaks. Start the engine and let it run for a few minutes. Check for any leaks around the drain plugs and oil filter. 8. Dispose of old oil. Properly dispose of the old oil and oil filter according to local regulations. For more details regarding grade of oil to use, you can refer to your Zontes maintenance manual. I would recommend using 80/90 gear oil for the gearbox oil, as this is designed for gearboxes on scooters. If you have any specific questions about the process, please leave a comment and I will get back to you. Best regards, Madmick.